I'm John Burns. Thank you for watching the Westminster Canterbury Richmond construction update for July. Despite the heat, you're seeing a lot of progress around campus. Here on the Ellipse, we'll start to see site work for the final grading and landscaping later in July. It will sure be nice to see all these trucks leave the Ellipse for good. So keep an eye out for that in the coming weeks. Behind the Vitality apartment building, the BMP pond work is ongoing. The pond is for erosion control and collects rainwater. The gabion walls, which are the large cages filled with rock, are being constructed and installed. This work will continue throughout the summer. Inside the Vitality apartment building, drywall installation is complete on all the units from floors 2 through 7. Throughout the building, the mechanical systems are up and running in all the units to help condition the space. And here in the Aquatic Center, the pools are waiting for the final shells to be plastered. Once that's complete, we anticipate that'll be around the end of July or early August. Then these pools will be filled with water. And above the fitness center, the construction team is anticipating completing the green roof later this month. We've moved over to the new clubhouse in the village area. The FF&E, or Furniture, Fixtures, and Equipment install, is scheduled to be completed in August. Inside buildings 1 and 2, interior framing, insulation, and drywall work continues throughout. Exterior siding and finish work is ongoing. We anticipate these buildings to start their move-ins late this year. As you heard in our June video, resident move-ins are happening here in buildings 3 and 4 with nearly 20 apartments scheduled to be occupied by the end of July. Lastly, the temporary chiller in front of the garden apartments is to be removed in late July or early August, after the HVAC systems are fully functional and tested in the Vitality building. As always, please respect the construction zones and stay out of the fenced-off areas. This is for your safety as well as the safety of the construction team. See you next month.